how to create an LLC for rental property in Texas. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you own or plan to invest in rental property in Texas, forming an LLC, which is a limited liability company, is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself and grow your business. With booming cities like Austin, Houston, and Dallas, Texas is a hot market for landlords, but renting property always carries risk, legal disputes, tenant injuries, or contract issues. That's why an LLC helps. It separates your personal assets from your rental business and gives you the protection, structure, and tax flexibility you need to operate like a pro. In this video, I'll show you how to form an LLC for your Texas rental property the easy way with Busy, which is a platform that helps you create your LLC for free and handles all the paperwork. So click the link in the description to start your rental property LLC in Texas with busy.com. It's quick, beginner friendly, and you only pay the state fees. So first, the question is why Texas landlords form LLCs? For personal asset protection, if something goes wrong with your rental, your personal home, bank account, and car are shielded from liability. It also helps you protect professional structures such as use a business name, open a business bank account, and handle rental income or expenses cleanly. Also helps in tax simplicity. Texas doesn't have a state income tax, and LLCs are pass-through entities, so profits go directly to your personal tax return. Also, flexibility, whether you have one rental or 10, you can grow your portfolio under one LLC or separate LLCs for each property. And lastly, it helps in credibility. Using an LLC makes you more trustworthy to banks, property managers, and contractors. So if you wish to start a Texas rental property LLC with Busy, click on the link given in the description below and you will be redirected to busy.com. So first of all, you got to choose Texas as your state. And then you got to enter the name for your LLC, and for business purpose, you can enter something like real estate investment or property rental. Texas requires a registered agent, so Busy gives you one for free for the first year, which fulfills the legal requirements and saves you money. But if you wish to act as your own registered agent, you can do that as well. And EIN is very important. You'll need an employer identification number to open a business bank account, sign lease agreements, and file taxes. Busy handles this step for you by applying directly with the IRS. However, if you already have your EIN and you don't want Busy to obtain it, you'll have an option for that as well. Starting January 1st, 2024, all new LLCs in the US must file a BOI report that's beneficial ownership information. It includes the legal names, addresses, and ID details of each business owners. So if you wish to get access to the BOI website as well, I have included that in the description as well. So why do I recommend Busy for Texas landlords? Because it has free LLC formation, EIN, free registered agent for the first year, and over 1 million businesses are formed using it. So whether you're renting a duplex in Austin or an apartment in San Antonio, Busy makes your rental business official, protected, and legit. So, ready to turn your Texas rental into a real business? Simply click the link in the description to form your LLC today with Busy. That's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.